Hello and welcome back to Ashley U Life. In today's class, we are gonna get ready so fast. No joke, 20 minutes ago, I was not ready at all. I was in PJs and baking brownie cheesecake muffins in the kitchen when Matt came in and said, hey, do you wanna go out to dinner? And I said, okay, here we are. I'm gonna show you how I get ready really fast using my workout makeup technique and then adding lashes and some fun lips. So if you're like me and need to get ready fast sometimes, you're gonna wanna watch this. Using my workout makeup routine in the morning that I do Monday through Fridays, I always wake up with like 20 minutes to get out the door. I wake up, throw on my workout clothes, brush my teeth, wash my face, and then I throw on what I call workout makeup. Now this is using a specific little correction concealer pack with a bunch of different colors in it, as well as using the residual powders on the brushes from the makeup I've done like the days before. Now of course this won't work if you just wash your brushes the night before, but honestly, we all should wash our brushes a little more. So your brushes are probably good to go for tomorrow or today. Let's jump into it. Let me show you how I get ready super fast. Okay, so let's see how fast we can get ready. It is 6:26 right now. This is always what I use in the morning for my workout makeup. I freaking love it. It just gives you enough coverage for what you need, and it covers up dark circles and it hides blemishes. It's just great. It's by NYX. I love it. So I take the yellow, put it on the inside of the eye, on the eyebrow. Then I take this pinky color and this pinky color and mix them together. Go a little underneath the nose because I always get red there. On the chin, because I have some scarring there I like to cover up. And then I take a little bit of the dark and blend that in. And under there, to kind of make my skin tone. Then for under the eyes, I use the purple. And as you can see, I don't even change the brush, I just go. And now you're probably thinking, oh my gosh, you look like a crazy person. I know, but then you blend. I always start with the yellow. Then I go to the tan colors. And then I do under the eye. Now I'm not rubbing or pulling hard on my skin, I'm just lightly blending it in. And then I take my amazing translucent powder from Physicians Formula that I love and set everything. And this evens out the rest of my skin tone without having to put anything on. And then I'm just going to take what was on my contour brush, just the residual. I didn't add anything to it, and I'm gonna just contour lightly. Now, I normally don't do this part very often when I go to work out, but because we're going out, I'm definitely gonna use the residual on this contour brush to accent my face. And then I'm gonna take my two favorite brushes that I have. One's a little bit more fluffy and the other one's a little bit more dense, but still thick. This is what I use all the time, and these have the colors that I use all the time, so I'm gonna use the residual on these. And right here, I'm just doing the easy smoky eye that I always do, which I have glass on. Now for the darker crease. And then we're gonna take the residual on my blush brush and blush it up. Bring some life back to the face. I always like to bring the blush up into the eyebrow bone just because I feel like it blends everything together. As I always say, if you feel like you go too far on the blush, use your translucent powder brush and tone it down. And now I know you're not gonna believe it, but we're already at eyelashes. So these are lashes that I've already been using. I think they're about 4 to 5 days old, and I just tore off the old glue and I'm adding new glue. So this is my workout makeup. I normally don't do the contouring and I go lighter on the eyeshadow, but I really tried to like get as much eyeshadow as I could out of the brushes because we're going somewhere. I'm not just going to work out, but normally I do the eyes just like a little bit lighter than this with the residual eyeshadow on the brushes. But in general, this is workout makeup, and then I usually just like curl my lashes and head to the gym. But today we're doing lashes because we're going out in public. We're going places. We're going to dinner. And now it's time to set the face. I also do this with workout makeup because it's early in the morning. I usually have just woken up and it just feels good and it just kind of brightens and livens up the face. And now of course we need mascara. Now, if you're not someone who does lashes normally like I do, you don't have to. You could just curl your eyelashes and do mascara. But add mascara if you're going out. I never add mascara when I'm going to work out though. And now we're already on the last step. Can you believe it? I can't. I am going to use a NYX Liquid Suede. I just got this one today because it was on sale at Target for $3.47. I kind of got a few lip glosses, I'm not gonna lie, because they were on sale and I need them. And I know that means they're just getting older and they want to move them, but move them my way for $3.47. And I love these liquid suedes just because they're a little bit of a stain, but they're not really a stain, but they stay on really well. And there we go, we're ready, just like that. I hope this helps show you that you can get ready fast and you could still look a little bit glamorous in like under 10 minutes. And oh, the only thing that I did to my hair was I had curled it yesterday and I just combed it out with a comb, teased it, and then sprayed it, and this is how my hair came out. And so now I'm ready to go. All right, we're gonna go eat. Don't forget to like and share so other people can like and share. And don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next class.